Hey guys, so I purchased my first Cricut Explorer Air 2. I ordered it off of the Cricut website itself and it was a bundle. I ended up getting $10 off because I signed up for emails. So if you're interested in ordering, I definitely recommend signing up for emails so that you can get that 10% off, or $10 off, not 10%, sorry. So that first thing I laid out was the light grip mat. And then I'm just going to show you everything that came in the box. So here goes the instruction manual that I'm showing here. Here goes the Cricut itself. I wanted a purple one, but they didn't have that one available, or the flamingo one. So I ended up getting the sky color, I believe it is. Here goes the cord, the power cord. You just plug that into the wall, plug one into the Cricut, and it'll be powered right up. Then this is like a USB one where you can plug it up to your computer, I believe. I haven't tried that one yet, but yeah. So here goes a marker. It comes with one marker, and I believe that's it for the box. Oh, and also in the manual it comes with like some sample papers so that you can do a sample project. I got a bundle, so I'm going to show you what else I got in another box that I have. Alright, so it comes with the tool set that you will definitely need if you have a Cricut. Then that one that's single with the pink at the end of it is a scoring stylus. You're going to use that like if you're cutting paper and making cards with the cardstock and stuff like that. That's what you would need that for. Then here goes some more markers. They are the candy shop set markers. And it comes with an extra blade, which will definitely come in handy. The deep point blade. This is the tool set I was just talking about. And it also came with a couple mats and some window cling. So this is the black window cling. Alright, there it is right there, the black window cling. You can cut things out and make them to decorate windows or car, whichever you prefer. And then it came with a set of 3 mats. So it has a lightweight, the standard, and I think heavy. I'm not sure. But yeah, those will definitely come in handy. So I'm just gonna open up my machine and show you guys. I'm super excited. Bought my first Cricut. Look at how pretty that color is. Yes. So if you're not a big fan of the color Cricut that you have, you can always decorate it. You can use the vinyl to decorate your machine or whatnot. I like my color, but I do want to add decoration to it. So that is something I will be looking forward to doing. And there it is. So pretty, shiny. Yes.